Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. To back here once again with a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about the release date that the brand new DJI Mini 3 non-pro will be having, because we have received the official release date and it is going to be much sooner than what we all thought. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Air 3, the Inspire 3, and of course the brand new DJI Mini 3. You already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, if you're watching this video and not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into today's video, which will be quite exciting. So we've talked a lot about the upcoming DJI Mini 3 in the past few weeks. Now this will be DJI's non-pro version of their original Mini 3 Pro that we saw 6 months ago. Now we still were missing the release date. We thought it was going to be coming probably definitely before the holidays, before Christmas, but well, we just received the official release date thanks to our great friend Angie Drone in Twitter, who was able to get an actual picture of the box that contained inside the DJI Mini 3. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So there it is in the screen, and it says the following: do not open the box before December the 9th at 9 p.m. So, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. This is the box that contains the brand new DJI Mini 3. So December the 9th, that's going to be tomorrow, which is going to be a Friday. A bit of a surprise to me, because normally DJI doesn't release products on a Friday, but well. And another thing that I want to point out is the fact that we have not seen any kind of teaser from DJI, which is quite strange. So it looks like DJI might just do like a silent release, really not hype this one that up. I don't know if they consider this not worth making that teaser image. I don't know, but hopefully it does not get delayed. And tomorrow, December the 9th, we'll be seeing a brand new product from DJI. But in case anything changes, that it can always happen, we're gonna make sure to keep you guys updated. Worst case scenario, it might be launched the next week. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.